Stop saying angry. From mildly annoyed to absolutely furious, English has a precise word for every level. Sarah, how did you feel about the delay?
I was angry.
Fair, but 10 better words will show exactly how angry.
Let's hear them.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today we upgrade angry. Anger comes in many strengths, and the right word tells people precisely how you feel. Saying angry for everything from a small annoyance to real rage misses the nuance.
Here are 10 words from mild to extreme.
1. Annoyed. Annoyed is mild, slightly bothered.
I'm a bit annoyed. That noise is annoying.
2. Irritated. Irritated is a step up, persistently bothered.
I'm getting irritated. His tone irritated me.
3. Frustrated. Frustrated is anger mixed with helplessness.
I'm so frustrated with this software. It's frustrating.
4. Upset. Upset blends anger with hurt feelings.
She was upset about the comment. Don't be upset.
5. Mad. Mad is casual American English for angry.
Are you mad at me? He got mad quickly.
Quick review. Annoyed, mild. Irritated, persistent. Frustrated, anger plus helplessness. Upset, anger plus hurt. Mad, casual. 5 more coming. 6. Furious. Furious is very strong, intense anger.
I was furious when I found out. She looked furious.
7. Livid. Livid is extreme, so angry you can barely speak.
He was absolutely livid. I'm livid about this.
8. Outraged. Outraged is anger at something unfair or shocking.
Customers were outraged by the price. An outraged response.
9. Fed up. Fed up is informal, tired of something and annoyed.
I'm fed up with the traffic. She's fed up with excuses.
10. See red. An idiom, to suddenly become very angry.
I saw red when they blamed me. He sees red at unfairness.
Practice. Situation, then the best word.
Ready.
A small, repeated noise is slowly bothering you.
I'm annoyed or irritated as it continues.
You're extremely angry about an injustice done to others.
I'm outraged. That's anger at something unfair.
You've completely lost patience after many broken promises.
I'm fed up. And if one more thing happens, I'll see red.
Perfect. The word shows both the strength and the source of the anger. Today's words for angry: annoyed, irritated, frustrated, upset, mad, furious, livid, outraged, fed up, and see red. Match the strength to the situation. Annoyed for small things, furious or livid for real rage.
And remember, naming the feeling precisely also helps you manage it.
What's something that makes you see red? Tell us in the comments in English.
Subscribe for a vocabulary upgrade every week.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast. See you next time.